And now, please enjoy this chiropractic adjustment video by Dr. Marquez, our Vineland chiropractor at Back Pain Relief Center.
Even burning while you're laying down?
Not so much.
A little better when you lay down?
I can feel it dead.
How do you feel while you're at work?
I can't stand long.
Do you want some time off? Can you do any time off?
I can't do no time
No?
off. I got FMLA. I take if I don't feel good, I don't go in.
Yeah. After we manipulate your low back, how does it feel? You get any relief from it yet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Saw Caden last night.
I did.
Yeah, it came worked out.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, it's a big dude. Yeah, good workout though. I'm glad he's going to start making it up a little bit. Deep breath for me. And out. Bend your legs for me. Good. Okay. Go on your back for me, face up. Put your hands on your stomach, please. Come on up. There, legs a little closer. Okay, we're gonna keep those legs down, chin down to your chest. I'll help you back up. Good. Good.
Old.
No, a little beat up. You'll get better now.
Did you do the other side?
Yep.